Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 Google Chat automation with Pabbly Connect. Now, we all know that Google Chat is a communication service developed by Google and we have been using it like in and out. So, how can you integrate Google Chat with different applications? So, I'm going to show you a few use cases here and if you like them, you can try. So, let's start. The first one that we have here is post a new message to Google Hangouts chat from Google Sheet. So let's say that you have certain data in your Google Sheet and every time a new row is added here, then the same message would be posted as a post or as a chat in your Google Chat Hangouts. How can that be done? For this, you will have to integrate the two applications and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. So here, your trigger application will be Google Sheets and your action application will be Google Chat. Now let's have a look at another example. So here we have Airtable. So send a new Google Chat message for new records in Airtable. So just like we use Google Sheets, similarly you can use Excel or Airtable where every time a new row or a new record would be added here, then automatically the message would be sent as a chat in your Google Chat. The next example that we have here is very interesting. How to send Google Chat message for new YouTube comments. So here I want that every time a new comment is received on YouTube, then it should be shared as a message on Google Chat so that I'm well aware about it and my entire team is updated about it. How can that be done? Again here, your trigger application will be YouTube where the event would be new comment and your action application will be Google Chat where the event here would be send message. The next example that we have here is send Typeform responses to Google Chat as messages. Now here I have used Typeform as a form builder application. You can use any other form builder application like Google Forms, etc. So here every time a response is received. Now I want that response to be shared with my team on Google Chat. Again, you will be integrating the two applications using the same process. And the last example that we have here is get notifications on Google Chat when file is uploaded on Google Drive. So I want that every time there is a particular course file or any other file which is uploaded on Google Drive, then I should be notified along with my team on Google Chat so that I'm absolutely updated about it. So to do the same, we are going to integrate the two applications. So here your action like event, the first event would be new file uploaded, then your action application will be Google Chat and here the event would be to get a message. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. Now these are just a few examples that I have used to show you how you can integrate Google Chat with different applications. There are so many other applications that you can use for this integration. Now to understand that better, you can visit our website which is there in the description box. Also, you can just try these workflows yourself because you do not need any technical expertise for this. If in case you are stuck, then we are happy to help. So if you found this a little helpful, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care.